before. We got a little dent right here. Lots of scuffs and scratches. We'll hammer this dent out and we'll take the file and file down some of these imperfections here, and then we'll start sanding. Sanded down, about 4 stages of sandpaper, starting with 220 all the way up to 600. Then the gray pad and some quadruple O steel wool. Now I'm gonna buff it. After a couple times polishing it, it's not perfect, but it's way better than it was. And of course, this is from a 1968. It's seen some stuff in its day. Now I got to tape it off, paint the inside of here back to a gray, and then paint these black again, and then one more polish of the non-painted stuff. Hit it with a light coat of SEM self-etch primer. Now I'm going to hit it with some duplicolor engine enamel that I had laying around. This one is cast coat aluminum, and it was a really close match. A couple light coats of it. The gray's done. Just gotta do the black. All done. Here's a little side-by-side comparison. Kind of what they start looking like. It's not 100%, but it's way nicer. Here's the finished product. I really should have taken a video of me reshaping this. It was way off. Took a while. That's the one we just did on video. This is the one I did before. Front end complete, except I need to splurge about $3,500 on chroming these bumpers, unless somebody knows a reputable chrome shop on the East Coast that has a decent deal. Let me know.